Assalamualaikum. I'm Hashmi. I'm your maths tutor for the Cambridge IGCSE O level. Today we are going to discuss about the trigonometry. First of all, I'm going to revise this topic in different parts. So first part is related to Pythagoras Theorem and trigonometric ratios. Okay, so let's start. First point we are going to discuss in trigonometry is Pythagoras Theorem. Trigonometry is used to find the sides or the lengths of unknown and unknown angles in a triangle or right angle triangle. Okay. So if we have triangle like this, here we have right angle and we have one angle over here. So the longest side or the longest length in a triangle is called hypotenuse. Okay, it's hypotenuse. And this side which have perpendicular an angle is called base or adjacent. This side is called base or the adjacent. The side having only perpendicular side which have this 90 angle is called perpendicular. So here we have parts of this triangle. One is hypotenuse which is longer, and one is perpendicular which have perpendicular angle is 90, and the side which have angle and 90 angle. Okay, both angles are in this side, so we call this base or adjacent. Okay, so we have Pythagoras theorem over here, which is, if I'm going to name these triangles, so this side I'm going to say C, and if I'm going to name this side B and this side A, so what we have in Pythagoras theorem is, it's a square, square of base plus square of perpendicular side will give you the square of hypotenuse. Okay, in a right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem is only about the right angle triangle. Okay, Pythagoras theorem states like that: in a right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse, is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Okay, so let's do one example for this. We have to find x and y in this triangle. Okay, so we have triangle over here. We have triangle. Okay, we have 90 angle over here. Here is x, here is 17, 30. Okay, one more example because I'm going to write two variables for you. So here is 90, it's 7, it's 12, and it's y. Okay, so for this triangle we have hypotenuse over here. Okay, so square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other side. So sum of squares of other side is 13 square plus 17 square. Okay, now do it by yourself, calculations, and add them. Yes, we have 169 for 13 square and then 289 for 17 square. So for finding the length of hypotenuse or finding the x, it will give you have to take square root on both sides. So we have x as 21.4. Okay, so I have written this value, 3 significant numbers. Okay, I am going to write 3 significant figures over here. So this is answer. For this triangle you have to do, here you have hypotenuse, so you have to make square of your hypotenuse, 12 square, and now you have y square. Now you have to write the squares, sum of squares of other two sides, so it's y square plus 7 square. Okay, now you have to open up this squares values, 144 and it's y square and it's 49. So you have to make y as subject, so 144 minus 49 will give you y square. It will give you 95, it's y square. Now you have to take square root on both sides. We'll cancel in this side. 95, calculate. Now you have y equals to 9.75. Again I am going to write this answer with 3 significant numbers. So it's 9.75. Just use this formula to find the unknown length of your right angle triangle. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you have any ambiguity, you can comment me in comment box. Thank you.